Morning all, back on fighting form. So this is our apprentice's car, right? And he's a good lad. He's learning and he's doing his own stuff, which is ace. However, this just shows the service history on his vehicle is supposed to be all right. But look at the state of them electrodes. As in, that one ain't got one. It's worn right down. Let me try and get the camera in there, the best lighting I can. No, it's gonna give me nothing, guys. So if you see there, never put it against my finger, it might help. There you go. Absolutely no electrode. It's like biggest gap I've probably ever seen on a spark plug. It should look something like that. See that? Look, very, very small gap between the electrode on the plug and obviously the arc here. So that's where it should be. So you're going to get a nice spark out of that. It's going to get a clean burn. You're not going to get any of them sooty deposits because the spark's not trying to jump miles to get to the end of the plug. That one though, whoa! Yeah. Always service your car, guys. These spark plugs are well past due. But happy Saturday, guys. See you in a bit.